white triangle. We are going to make the grid line to guide us along triangle, and then do one more time. This time right to left, and go back to the half. And this time you only do a pinch, top to the center bottom, and you only pinch right here about ½ inch, and you will do more to quarter, so top to the pinch you just created. Here's a pinch in the middle, and from the bottom you do the same to the center pinch. As a result, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You divided quarterly. And let's open. I have pencil, and I'm gonna mark the top by making a star. You see, I just drew a mark, and here's a center about ½ inch. I made a mark right here, and 2 below, so the 6th, I make a mark right on a pinch. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 division, and you have a creased pinch that will help you to do the design. And 4th and 6th is particularly marked, and hopefully that will really guide us well. Very good. And now turn it over and make sure the star is on the top. From the bottom, fold it to the top pinch. Make a sharp crease on the bottom. From here, turn it over to the back side, and this time I turn it over to this way so that you have it like a diamond shape right now, and the star is on the bottom towards your stomach. Grab the both layers, and let's look at the white triangle top and slide that to the line of this crease. It's a big horizontal creasing line. Just imagine it runs through right here, and that's where you press and then make a fold. The top of the black triangle folded down to the bottom. So you see the top star is right here on the bottom. Then you will rearrange this part. First, open the both layers. Top one goes down, and bottom triangle goes right on top. This small piece will fold it down to the bottom, but not all the way. Let's say here's all the way to the bottom, but slide it a little farther so that you have a little space on the bottom. How much space? Well, I have a 10-inch square paper. In my case, it's about 1/4 inch. And If you are using 6 square inch, that will be about 1/8 inch. After make a sharp crease, unfold that and fold that little triangle to the creasing line you just created. And then fold. Oops. Next, fold this left and right little corner. Small triangle. And when you do that, you have to fold at this corner. Find the corner, and the triangle crease starts from this angle, like that. And do the same thing. Start the bottom corner and fold a small triangle. Turn it over to the back side. And this time, let's see the orientation. Let's have the model like a roof top. Short and bottom is much longer. And find the mark you made before. And here's a folded edge. And I'm going to make an X in the middle of folded edge and the mark. Fold the bottom corner to that X. Do the same from the opposite side. And the next. Here's a center vertical crease. I'm going to open it so you can see it better. And find the half point, just eye mark. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm going to just eye measure and I make half point. And fold the top to that center. When you look at it, here's a panda bear. Look. And that soft crease you made, you can change it. If you want a narrow face, you can make it like that. You can do narrow face, or if you want to do the very wide, like anime character, or wide, that is all up to you. I just chose the middle way. I'm happy with this, so I'll make a sharp crease. You only have a little bit left. I like to have a round ear because panda bear has kind of round ear look. Then next, fold this diagonal line that goes along the edge, the side of this trapezoid. Same on the opposite side. There are a bunch of layers, so you really have to make a sharp crease. You made the top, the head, and now here's a body that goes inside right here. And the size of the paper is different. This is the head, and this smaller piece is for the body. And the size of the paper, this is 6-inch square, and this is 4-inch square, 3/4 of the size. Let's cut this paper. To cut the paper, first fold in half to rectangle, and then open to a square and fold from the bottom to the center. Next, you will turn the paper, so here's a creases is vertical, and from the bottom you cross the crease, fold it in half, and from the bottom fold to the center. And now what you're gonna cut is this line right here, not this small line, because this is a quarter. You can use the cutter, you can use the scissors, whatever works for you. I will use this. And there. Let's make the panda's body. Color side up and from the bottom to the top. Fold it in half and do again to right to left to another triangle, quarter size, and back to the half. The both corner folded to the center. Make sure the bottom line is all matched. Opposite side. And this little corner on the center will fold it to the top of this triangle. Do the same on the opposite side. Unfold. Focus on this triangle flap. There's a pocket on the top. Find that and open that pocket and squash. By using the crease you already made, and do the same on the opposite side. From here, fold top layer down to the bottom. The same on the opposite side. Very good. we are almost done. This time, focus on this layer, and next, think about the line goes down to the inside. You will be folding blindly. Fold, just pull this paper as far as you can go. You can open and look inside and see how far you can fold. And I'm kind of going for this almost parallel, but not quite. And like I said, almost parallel. I want to make the arms a little more the angle, so let's change that a little bit.